This vegetarian fried chicken is 100% vegan. It tastes and looks identical to real fried chicken. In a large mixing bowl, add the following: 8 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of water. Using your hands, thoroughly mix it together. Then knead the dough. Place into a large bowl. Submerge in water. Cover in cling film. Leave for 30 minutes. Remove the cling film. Drain the water. Add fresh water. Knead the dough underwater. When the water gets cloudy, drain it. Add fresh water. Rinse and repeat until the water is basically clear. The size should reduce and the consistency should be stringy. Place onto a chopping board and flatten it out. Season with half a teaspoon of the following: salt, celery salt, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, oregano, mustard powder, and ginger powder. Thoroughly knead it and cut in half. That's perfect. In a small bowl, 4 tablespoons of flour, 200 milliliters of plant milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Thoroughly mix. In a large bowl, 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of Cajun spices, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Thoroughly mix. Coat in the flour, then in the batter, back into the flour. Lower into hot vegetable oil. Deep fry for 5 minutes until the outside is golden brown and crispy. Look how good this looks! Serve and enjoy. What the f*** is that? This tastes like sh**. There's no way you're gonna tell me this is a f***ing chicken. People eat this crap? Do not make this fried dog shit. Let's make it properly. Remove the breast. Season. Flour. Egg. Flour. Deep fry until golden brown. That's much better, but still not perfect. It's missing something. Now we're talking. That's perfect. Enjoy.